Hey guys, it's Pilar Newman and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways I earn $200 per month with the Ibotta pay-per-lead referral program. So if you're looking to add an additional $200 to your pocket each month, then definitely stick around. I'm going to be sharing with you my exact strategy, everything that I'm doing to earn $200 in referral income with the Ibotta grocery savings app. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the Ibotta app, it's a cashback rewards program where you earn money back on everyday purchases, such as your grocery items. Now, if you currently do not have Ibotta, then simply go ahead, download the app, use my referral code that you see on the screen, and you'll get immediate access to a $20 welcome bonus. By downloading the app, you'll also gain access to your very own referral code where you'll earn $10 per referral you send to Ibotta that downloads the app and redeems an offer within the app. One of the reasons I've been successful making money with Ibotta is because I'm an avid Ibotta app user. I've earned over $620 in cashback rewards with Ibotta, so it makes it very easy for me to go ahead and recommend this app to my friends, my family, and acquaintances. So one of the best suggestions that I'm going to give to you, if you want to earn $200 or more per month with the Ibotta referral program, then definitely start using the app so that you have insider insights as to why the app is a great grocery and cashback rewards app to start using right now. The first method to earning Ibotta referral money is by posting on your social media accounts. This is one of the fastest and easiest ways to earn money today by simply sharing your experience with using the app with your family and friends. These are people that are closest to you that would trust your word and actually referring something that you're currently using. So one of the things that I do is I regularly will post on my Facebook profile the offers that I'm redeeming within the Ibotta app. I'll also share different offers that I think other people would be interested in, whether I'm redeeming that offer or not. So this method has actually earned me quite a bit of money in referral income by simply sharing my experience to my family and friends on my social media profiles. This next method of earning Ibotta referral money is by sharing the app with other people during your next grocery shopping trip. Now, this is mainly for more people who are extrovert type of people, which is pretty much my entire personality. Now, on a few occasions, I've actually been at the grocery store redeeming a free Ibotta offer, and I just so happen to mention it to the person next to me. Now, on a couple of different occasions, I've actually been able to get people to download the app, give them my referral code, and then earn referral income once they went ahead and actually redeemed an offer within the app. Now, this is not going to be a method meant for everyone, but generally, if you are someone who is an extrovert, you like chatting it up with random strangers, then this is a really, really interesting and great method to make money. Now, if you actually chat it up with 10 people per day at the grocery store, you can actually earn $100 per day with this method. The third way in which I earn Ibotta referral money is by sharing my experience on my blog, loudmoneymoves.com. Now, on this blog, I recently wrote an article about my Ibotta review in 2021, how I use it to earn extra money, get free groceries, and get tons of cashback rewards on my everyday purchases. Now, as I'm sharing this information with my audience about what Ibotta is, how to use Ibotta, and how to make money with Ibotta, I'm also sharing with them my referral code and my referral links. This helps me make more referral money with Ibotta. It's a very simple way to start getting your message out there and start actually attracting people who are looking for grocery savings apps such as Ibotta. So if you do not have a blog, then I would highly suggest actually starting one, especially in 2021. A lot of people are online on Google searching for different ways in which to make money or how to save money with their groceries, and your article can actually start showing up in the Google search results, and that is exactly what is helping me earn more Ibotta referral income. Another method that you can use to earn Ibotta referral income is by creating YouTube tutorial videos. This is my first video you're seeing on your screen that I created that shared with my audience exactly how I use Ibotta and how they can use Ibotta for themselves to earn free groceries, get cashback rewards, and earn free money. So this video shared with them my referral code as well, and it started really gaining some traction. A lot of people simply started using my referral code just as a thank you for actually introducing them to this app. And you'll notice that a lot of people will start to do that. So if you like to record videos and you are on YouTube or you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, then sharing with people how you actually use Ibotta at the grocery store, how you actually use it to earn money, is a great way for you to start actually getting Ibotta referral income. The final method in which I use to earn Ibotta referral money is to post my referral code on Pinterest. Now, I have an entire board dedicated to simply the Ibotta $20 welcome bonus. Generally, people will see this, they start to repin my referral code, and that helps me get more traction online. So Pinterest is really a very great way to actually start getting the momentum going if you want to get your referral code out there. Now, if you don't have Ibotta yet and you are interested in earning $10 per lead that you send to Ibotta, feel free to go ahead, download the app, and use my referral code if you felt that this video has really helped you out. Otherwise, thank you again for watching this video. Please make sure to hit that like button as well as subscribe to my channel and go out there and start earning your money with Ibotta.